guys, we got the dual motor Limitless 4S pass we're gonna make here. Stop, read, track, start. All right, so let's see if we can get a 4S run with this thing today. All right, guys. Let's get her turned around. All right. Where's that guy? Can't tell if he's driving or what. I think we're good. All right, here we go. Hard to see when there's a guy down there with his headlights on, but still a good run. All right, guys. Nice. Let's see what we did here, guys. Stop, read. Nice. 175. So, my first 3S pass, I had beaten my previous dual motor PB for 3S, and first 4S hit, and that was faster than my old dual motor Limitless ever went. And actually, when I made that car a 3-motor car, I think I did 176 on 4S. So I'm only a mile an hour off from that. That is some awesome news, guys. Let me get off the road here. Nice. Motor temps are good. Nice. And then we got 5 wires. 5 wires. It's the Onyx 8K for that run, guys. The 8300s. So that is just awesome. I'm so happy with that. 175 miles an hour, guys. Sweet. The Porsche body's doing really well too. I am getting some tire rub here that I gotta work on figuring out, because I don't want to raise the body up too much more. But as far as stability, man, it's doing wonderful. So I'm really happy with this setup. Awesome stuff.